So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is my first video as Kylie and this is just a short intro of me. My pronouns are Hershey and I like to play Brookhaven and Bedwars on Roblox. But aside from Roblox, I like to play Good Pizza Great Pizza. So let's just get started. This is just me loading up the game. And yeah, I really like Good Pizza Great Pizza because it's such an aesthetic and cozy game. If you all haven't tried it out, try it out now. I promise this is not a sponsor, but I just love this game so much. Anyways, I was already on day 17, but nothing good has happened right now, so let's just get started. The PNN News Network, honestly, have you all seen like that little boy that comes up there? Yeah, he tells you about the little facts. He's just so cute. I love the art style of this game also, by the way. Like, I wanna make my art style like them. I just love it, you know. So let's get started. Let's just water my plant. Oh my god, what's the old guy doing? Person, I mean. Oh my god, he gave us $50. Thank you so much. BP for me. It means blood. It doesn't mean blood pressure for me. It means bell pepper from me. Anyways, this is just me making the pizza. Honestly, I hate bell peppers IRL. But it just tastes so weird. Not even lying. Anyways, let's just cut up the pizza and yeah. So, let's just give it to him. And next customer, please. I'm excited. That's such a cute pun, but I can't think about having that IRL. I'm a really picky eater if you all haven't guessed right now. I don't like most vegetables, but there are a few I'm currently obsessed with, which I will tell you about probably in the next shot, if you all remind me. Anyways, let's just give it to him. I don't know the correct. Anyways. Classic meat with all your fruits, and this is when I forgot what the hell fruits are, so I'm just checking. Okay, thank you, I'll do it now. Yeah, but honestly, I don't know about you all, but I'm non-vegetarian. Well, actually a flexitarian because I only eat chicken once in a while. But yeah, so this is just me making the pizza. Honestly, it's like I have played this game before, and you know I had all the auto buddies, but I just uninstalled it accidentally, so I didn't play it for a long time. But I am coming back to this game now, and you know it's just a bit weird to have to do everything by yourself. So yeah, that's why maybe it's taking a bit too long. But yeah, because I'm not used to having to do everything by myself. Yeah, because I have had the auto buddy, but it's okay. It's still fun making it this way. So yeah. It's just me giving it to her. But these people are just so sweet with their compliments. And they're so creative with it. Bell peppers hit me first. Bro, I was like, do you only need bell peppers? And then, you know, I did waste a bit of time on that. But it's okay. Oh my god. That swoosh was so fast. Anyways. Thank you so much. Bye. Also, like, you know, if you think about it. Oh my god, spoiled milk, but it still tastes really good, bro. Why don't you like it, bro? Are you weird? Anyways, so yeah, I'm just making it right now. Honestly, no spoilers ahead, just telling you all. But this has a house special. I've heard of it. I have played it, but I didn't make anything good. Honestly, if I make the house special, I'll probably just make it, you know, something that looks good, not tastes good. Because I don't really eat that many types of pizza IRL. I only eat like cheese and corn. That's it. But yeah, so this is just me adding the extra stuff so that I can get my quest complete. I probably only add like one or two, but I added 2 slices just to be sure. Honestly, I would probably make it sausage and mushrooms for our house special, even if I remember it. But anyways, let's just give it to him. Thank you. Bye. This kid, yeah, that's the one in the what do you call it? The PNN. Yeah, that's him. That kid, you know, my favorite line when he says it. It's like that one. They're short and sweet, just like me. That's so cute. Anyways. So yeah, I'm just cutting it, and I'm so sorry if I'm saying anyways too many times. I don't know how to end my sentences. Anyways. Yeah, so this man came over yesterday. How many games are you going to, bro? How many games? Let's just make it. Sorry if I sound a bit tired because I'm speaking a lot at the same time. Yeah. But why is this taking so long? Can't I make the pizzas faster? Anyway. Okay, let's go. I'm just checking to make sure if you got it well done or not. Let me tell you. So yeah, here you go. Now please get out because I don't want to do this anymore. Oh my god. Yeah, this man. This is the hobo. Like, I like him. Not like that, but yeah, he's good. In the Good Pizza Great Pizza merch, I checked out the website. Yeah, there they have the posters, but in my country that it would be like really overpriced because they are in dollars and I am in another currency which I do not want to reveal. But yeah, so it would be a bit too expensive for me, so don't wanna. But I am a hobo. Like, I like him. Not like that, but yeah, he's good. In the Good Pizza Great Pizza merch, I checked out the website. Yeah, there they have the posters, but in my country that it would be like really overpriced because they are in dollars and I am in another currency which I do not want to reveal. But yeah, so it would be a bit too expensive for me, so don't wanna. But I will put the timestamps in like the description or in the comments. But yeah, anyways, just watering my eggplants and harvesting them. Bell peppers and sausage without the sausage. If you don't want the sausage, just tell me that you want a bell pepper pizza. Honestly, like, this game is just so cute. I really hope you all want to see more of this because I just love this game. It has a special place in my heart. But yeah, just making the pizza real quick. I'm just checking how much more I need. Okay. Oh my god, that was so cute. I'll probably tell Ember that. But if you all want me and Ember to do like the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 thing, I saw it on like Instagram reels. Yeah. So it was like really cute. If you all want me and Ember to do that, just tell me. If you. But I also want to do it. Ember also wants to do it. So even if you all don't want to do it, you're gonna get it. Okay. This old man kinda reminds me of my grandpa. One wombo combo. Just say supreme. I was like, what the hell is a wombo combo? That's why I kept on clicking on it again and again to see what it is. But yeah. Anyways, so just giving a disclaimer here that if we don't post for like 1 or 2 weeks now, please don't think that we quit YouTube because we aren't getting any views. We will probably not do that ever. But yeah. So it's just because we are having our half-yearly exams and we're just gonna focus on that. So if we don't post, that's why. Okay. But I will try to make community posts. I will try. If I don't, I'm sorry. But yeah. This is me pausing to, get the Supreme Pizza badge thingy in the recipe book. This man, he kind of looks like Jake, the Viking. I don't know his name, like from the Mr. Beast crew. He left, but yeah, he reminds me of him. Yeah. So just cutting it up. Honestly, I think I'll probably get the auto cut buddy, because it's just annoying to keep on cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting. That's all. If it was like, wait, I've already done half mushrooms. So yeah. If you all want to see anything specific, any specific game, just drop it in the comments. If it is for free and if we have it, I will try it. I promise. I will try it out. On Roblox also, if you all like any games on Roblox and want us to try it out, just tell us. Also, we are planning to put on some, DTI games. Yeah. But DTI, honestly, I don't play it a bit because it's kind of rigged. I was playing a match yesterday and the theme was mythology, and I just remembered of the Hindu goddess Durga. So I was her. I made my outfit on her. But obviously we can't replicate the sari. Honestly, India is so cool. I learned about it from the trend sun na 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 na. Yeah, that one. I learned about it from that, and I've been obsessed with them recently. So yeah, that's why. But honestly, and everyone was Greek goddesses. Someone was a stone sculpture. Only one girl actually followed the theme. One or two girls. They were one of them was Medusa and the other one was a stone sculpture. They were in a duo. Except for that, no one followed the theme. Everyone was wearing skirts. Not saying that you can't wear a skirt in that theme, but everyone was, it was just really off theme. They were doing the Dewey style, if you all know. Yeah, but anyways, so honestly, vegan pizzas and vegetarian pizzas and good pizza, great pizza are hard to make without the auto buddy, because you have to press every single one of them tuck 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 individually. And also, if you all want any recommendations on anything like music, movies, just tell us. I'll be glad to help you all out. I love Disney. I don't know about you. I love Disney. Disney is my childhood, literally. How many people are watching the team? How many people are going to games? 2 people have already came up to me and asked me for one person asked me for classic meat with fruits, which is almost half of the things for Supreme, and this person is asking me for Supreme pizza. But anyways, if you all want us to tell anything about that, about what I've been saying for the next video, just tell us, okay? I will make it, I promise, if we get time. If we don't post, it will be out after our half-yearly exams. I don't remember when it ends. Probably 2 or 3 weeks into September it will end. Then we will probably get back on track and start posting again. Yeah. So, apart from that, if you all like anything, and if you all want me to, do something, I've already repeated this, but except